Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are packaging an order for 50 people, which includes pastries and fruit drinks, which we make here on the channel all the time, and also at GOAA Beloved Catering Service. Ingredients for today's order packaging include orange drink, which I already have a recipe to on the channel, pineapple drink, I also have a recipe to that on the channel, mini meat pies recipe available on the channel, ring donuts recipe available on the channel, and our first ever sobolo recipe we shared on the channel about a year ago. You can find that out as well. We'll be infusing that. And then finally, our newest sobolo recipe on the channel, which is made with a lot of fruits. So it's called our mixed fruits sobolo. You can check. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. And these are the pastries we will be packaging in the next few minutes with the drinks. So I'll pick up a rubber, add in the pastry, the drink, and then a note to each pack. These are the drinks and the pastries we will be packaging. We will package the drink first, so we'll add in some sugar to taste, stir thoroughly, and then start to bottle them. Now we will start the packaging of the pies and donuts like this. I will pick up a pie paper, add in one of the pies, and then position it in the side of the paper. Then I'll add in 2 donuts, then fold the edge or opening of the paper bag and then place it on the side of the work surface we are using today. Using this same process, I will package the second one and then the rest, which will all amount to 50 pieces in all. Package from my YouTube channel, something that can make the customers aware of my YouTube channel's existence so that they can subscribe. And these are our 50 pieces of packaged orders all done. You can order from us for any other pastry you want from your events just like this, and we promise to deliver. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post and notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.